Teacher's Day. It was recess time, and Gattu and Chinky were standing in their class, chatting with their friends.
Hey Gattu, Teacher's Day is coming. What special thing should we do for our teachers this year? Even I can't think anything, Bunty. What should we do? Like every year, we can make cards and gifts for them. But what else?
Just then, Chinky got an idea and told her friends.
No, we don't need to do all that this time. Friends? Why? But why, Chinky? Then what will we do? I have a fantastic plan. We all will write a book together.
All the kids were amazed by Chinky's book writing idea. Then Chinky explained.
Yes, see, in our school, we have so many teachers. We will write about each teacher on every page of the book with their special qualities and drawings. Then on Teacher's Day, we'll give the book to them as a gift. Wow, Chinky, that's such a unique and fun idea. But there are so many teachers at school. Making so many books will take a lot of time. And Teacher's Day is just 2 days away. Yes, Chinky, Goody is right. It is a great idea, but it's going to be really tough to do it in time.
Before Chinky could say anything, the bell rang, and all the kids went back to their seats. But instead of Mishra sir, Gattu and Chinky's seniors, Harsh Bhaiya and Shreya Didi came into the class.
Good morning, everyone. Mishra sir is busy in the staff room for a while. Until then, Harsh Bhaiya and I will be here. So take out your books and start studying, okay?
All the kids do as told, but Bunty whispered to Chinky.
Chinky, tell Harsh Bhaiya and Shreya Didi about our plan. They might help us. They are older. They must have a solution for our problem. Yes, you're right, Bunty.
Seeing Chinky and Bunty whispering, Shreya and Harsh came over and asked.
What's up, Chinky? What are you and Bunty talking about? Well, Shreya Didi, we want to tell you something. Oh, what is it?
So, Chinky told Shreya Didi and Harsh Bhaiya about the idea. They both thought it was a great idea too.
Chinky, your idea is wonderful. You should definitely do this. But Didi, how will we write so many books in such a short time? Don't worry, Gattu. You all will have to make only one book, which will have drawings of all the teachers. And you will have to write something about them too. Harsh and I will handle making copies of that book. Wow, that's a great idea, Didi. I think we should start making it right away. Yes, but Gattu, Chinky, we will write on what?
You guys should write on A4 sheets and later give us all the sheets. We'll take care of the rest. But remember, you should finish this book today.
Absolutely, Bhaiya. We'll get it done by today. Yes!
In the evening, all the friends gathered at Gattu and Chinky's house with many A4 sheets, colors and glitters.
Okay, friends, let's get started. Wait, Bunty. First, we'll design the borders of all the pages with glitter pen. And then we'll draw the teacher's sketch on the top of the page and write about them below. Okay? Yes. Okay, Chinky. That means we need to make all pages the same, because they will be a part of one book. So they all should look same. Yes, let's begin.
All the kids got busy working.
Mishra sir teaches us maths and he is very kind. He always asks if we have had lunch as soon as he comes after lunch. This shows that he really cares about us. Yes, Meera ma'am teaches everyone arts in the school. She always helps us. And even if we forget our art book, she never scolds us. But I don't know what to write about Singh sir. I'm really afraid of him. Oh Bunty, don't you remember when you were sick and missed your classes? But Singh sir took extra classes just to explain it to you. He may seem strict, but he wants us to work hard and succeed. Do you got it? Yes, Goody, you are right. I know what to write about Singh sir now.
The kids worked hard, and after almost 4 hours, they finally finished the book.
Finally, the work is all done. We have written about all the teachers. Tomorrow we'll give these pages to Shreya Didi and Harsh Bhaiya. Then they'll take care of the rest. Yes, Chinky.
Gattu, Chinky and their friends went to their home. Gattu and Chinky were very tired and went to sleep. The next day, they gave all the pages to Shreya Didi and Harsh Bhaiya. Teachers' Day was 2 days later. On Teachers' Day, all the kids arrived at school.
Where are Shreya Didi and Harsh Bhaiya? They were supposed to bring the books. Don't worry, Gattu. They'll be here soon. Relax. Yes, relax. Look, there they are.
Shreya Didi and Harsh Bhaiya entered the class with many copies of the book made by Gattu and Chinky. Gattu, Chinky, Bunty, Goody helped them with the books.
Wow, Didi Bhaiya, the book looks so beautiful. And the front cover has a picture of our school. I can't believe we made this. Believe it, Gattu. Now, let's all go to the staff room. All the teachers are there. We'll give them their gift over there. Yes, let's go.
The kids went to the staff room. All the teachers were there and they already had received many gifts. First, Gattu, Chinky and their friends wished the teachers.
Happy Teachers Day! Happy Teachers Day, ma'am!
Thank you, kids.
Thank you, kids. And what's that in your hands?
Sir, this is a small gift for all of you from all of us.
When the teachers opened the books and read about themselves, they became very emotional. All the teachers loved their gift.
I must say, kids, you are very talented. You will surely do great things and succeed in the future.
Thank you, sir. By the way, we should take a selfie together on Teachers' Day. That's a great idea, Gattu. Let's take a selfie together. Come, everyone.
Everyone took a selfie together. This way, Gattu and Chinky made Teachers' Day memorable for their teachers.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them, and subscribe.